Regency now offers an innovative way to control your gas fireplace through our Proflame Connect Plus app. To connect your fireplace to the app, first go to the App Store or Google Play Store for Android and download the Proflame Connect Plus app. When you open the app for the first time, you will see the terms and conditions. Please read carefully, and when completed, tap on I accept. Now the privacy policy will be shown. Please scroll to read through it carefully. Once completed, tap on I have read and understood to proceed. Now a page with several options will pop up. Tap on Add a new fireplace. The app will locate your fireplace, and a message stating Proflame Plus is requesting to join the Wi-Fi network will pop up. Tap Join. Once the unit has been found, tap Confirm. On the fireplace configuration page, enter your Wi-Fi password. Tap Confirm. Then name your heater. When you are done, select Confirm. Tap Continue to proceed. If you need to add multiple fireplaces, select Add a new fireplace to repeat the process. Once you have set up your fireplace, the app will search for it. Select the unit that you would like to control through the app. A page with the room temperature and mode will pop up. To turn on the fireplace, tap on the power icon located on the top right of the block under your fireplace name. Tap Confirm. To adjust settings, tap the block that showcases current settings. Choose between Manual, Thermostat, and Smart. Within these options, you can adjust the flame, fan, and lighting options. Please note the differences between these modes. In Thermostat mode, you will have the ability to adjust the temperature. In Smart mode, the flame height will vary as room temperature increases or decreases. To go back to the main page, tap the arrow at the top left corner. Tap the menu icon on the top right of the page to explore additional settings. To choose which features are showcased on the home page of the selected fireplace, tap Advanced Settings. The features include split flow for units with secondary burners, which can be controlled by the split flow valve. Aux output for units with secondary lights and fans. Temperature unit. Choose which measurement will be displayed, Fahrenheit and Celsius, on your home screen. Pilot. Choose between continuous or intermittent. Refer to your unit's manual for more information. Please note that the app cannot detect which features are available on your fireplace. To hide features that are not compatible, you can use the toggle to remove them from the home page. Click on the arrow located on the top left to exit the menu. To turn off the unit, tap on the power icon and click Confirm. The settings that the fireplace was currently set to will be saved and automatically used again when it is turned on. For more information, visit regency-fire.com.